The place where the clean water comes from. The place where the healthy water comes from. Bokju, create the future. The first step is preparatory work to make a smooth attachment of the silicone pads and the SPEP panels, flatten surfaces of the concrete reservoir to get the surface clearance. Create condensation waterways on the surfaces to remove dampness between the SPEP panels and the wall surfaces. The dimensions of the waterways are approximately 10 to 12 millimeters in width and 15 millimeters in depth, depending on the site condition. The second step is to attach silicone pads. As the first process of the lining, fix the silicone pads on the concrete surfaces. The gap between the two silicone pads from the pad center line is 1,219 millimeters, which is the size of the SPEP panels. The third step is to install and fix SPEP panels. The width of the SPEP panel is 1,219 millimeters, and the length depends on the site conditions. The 3.0 thick panel is generally constructed, which is combined 0.8 thick stainless steel 304 with 2.2 thick low-density polyethylene. At first, the work starts for the surface of concrete wall. Then column and floor in order. Make LDPE side of SPEP panel to waters and attach it to the center line of the silicone pad. Use concrete nail pins to temporarily fix the SPEP panels. To fix SPEP panels on the concrete wall, screw anchors are used for the edge and set anchors are used for the top. At this point, the gap of the screw anchors is around 60 centimeters apart, and the gap of set anchors can be adjustable in accordance with the site conditions. Weld between SPEP panels with a 70 millimeter PE welding band along a fixed screw anchors by thermal fusing. After that, weld both sides of the 70 millimeter PE band with 12 millimeter PE bands. Make sure the sizes of the SPEP panels that should be the same size as the top, bottom, and corner sizes. The work process for the columns, corners, and floor is the same as the process for the concrete walls. Roll PE sheets and attach them to the plumbing and finish with stainless steel banding. Test stage. It almost comes at the end. Right after completion of construction, check if there are leaks with both the spark test device and eyes. To do a visual inspection at a distance of 500 millimeters from the surface, spark testing must be tested with a spark tester, and the result can be noticed by the sliding shape of the spark. If it is completely waterproof, the spark spreads evenly, but if there is a minute defect on the surface of the SPEP panel, the flame shape collapses, so it is easy to check with the eyes. If there is a leak noticed by the spark testing, the repair work is done easily and immediately to ensure complete waterproofness. Finishing the whole lining construction. Make extra tool pieces, sludge, and other industrial wastes out completely and remove any dirt stains on the lining surface. Clean water, healthy water. Specializing in the development eco-friendly waterproofing lining panels and water tanks. A drop of water, knowing the precious value of water. Bokju will take full responsibility for the best products. Bokju.